morning and welcome back. I am getting lunch ready because this morning Mayank went for conference. He went yesterday and he also went today, so he's gonna be out the whole day. I do not have any car today, neither did I have yesterday, but today Ashley is also home alone. Natisha has gone to work today, so that's why we decided that we meet in the park. We take our lunch today. Like we're gonna pack up our lunch and then go to the park. Kids are gonna play and then we eat our lunch and then come back home, kind of walk, because it's a walking distance for us. So that's what we plan to do. So I'm quickly gonna make lunch, and for lunch I'm gonna take like sandwiches, cold sandwiches, and kimbap that I have. So yep, let's get into making the lunch and leaving.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
I have my food packed here. Waters and everything is loaded in the stroller. Let me show you. The weather is so pretty today, so I do not mind walking at all. So our waters are here. I'm gonna carry the stroller, and then I'm just gonna put this food bag here. Like this, and that's it. I'm gonna load up Aiden, put on my shoes, and go. Alright, we are out walking and going to the park, but I realized that there's no air in the stroller tires, and I was not able to figure out how to pump it in. I know how to pump it in, but for some reason the pump was not holding the tire, blah blah blah. So that's why I have this thing here, the pump, and I'm taking it to the park, and hopefully Ashley can help me pump the tires, like fill up air. So let's see. So that's why I'm not putting Aiden. He's just walking right next to me. I'm not putting, come on baby, don't pick up any more stones, you already have enough. So he's just walking right next to me, because if I make him sit here, the stroller won't move properly, kind of thing. There's literally zero air. So yeah, and we kind of open up our jackets because we started feeling hot. So, but it's a beautiful day. Yeah,
it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. Are you having fun? Yeah? Are you excited to go to the park? Mm-hmm. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on, keep walking.
And on we'll go, through the waste.
I have this soccer fields here. Basically, it's like 14 soccer fields all over this greenway. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is squirrel. Come on, let's go check it out. So there are like 14 soccer fields all over this greenway. So this is one of them. It's pretty cool actually to walk in this field, to walk in this greenway. A squirrel, but it ran away. Yes, baby, it's gonna run away. It's not gonna come close to you.
Scared.
Yeah, we might find more. Come on. Are you enjoying the walk?
Find this more squirrel.
Yeah, are you enjoying the walk, Aiden?
Find more rabbits
You wanna find rabbits?
and bunnies.
Okay, bunnies. Okay, let's go.
Where is it?
You see a fish? He stopped to find fishes here. Come on, I don't think that there are any fishes. Come on. This is like the highway that's going on top, and underneath is the greenway. You see fishes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. Come, let's see something else. Let's see what else we find in this greenway. So normally you can always spot deers and then snakes.
Like bunnies and rabbits.
And bunnies and squirrels, right, Aiden?
Great idea.
Yeah.
Great. Wait.
Well, it's a beautiful weather today.
It works for me. Okay.
So I got you sandwich and I got you sushi.
I got sushi. Sushi.
Yeah. You take one in this here and eat it. And I also got you sandwich.
Here. Here, I'm taking.
Alright. Yeah, eat it.
And bits and fish.
So we came and then Irene was playing in the park. And then we are setting up here
Yummy.
for our lunch. And then Ashley is helping me fill up air in the tire. So that's what we're gonna figure it out now.
Yummy.
Yummy, enjoy.
Through the highways and on we'll go.
So we are done with our lunch, but we couldn't figure out how to fill up the air in the stroller. So we are gonna go to the fire station because it's right there. And Ashley's gonna go and talk over there because I don't have guts. I don't know what to say. So we're gonna go and try to figure out how to fill up air in this thing. Alright, I am on my way back home. We went to the fire station. They fixed the back 2 tires, but they didn't have the small one to fix the front one. So Mayank is gonna have to do it. It was a fun little adventure. We went out to have like a nice picnic in the park, but ended up asking everybody I met to help me fix the tires today. Oh my god, I cannot believe. And now Irene is sitting here and chilling because he's also tired playing in the park. So yeah.